All that glitters is gold, and she's buying a stairway to heaven. When she gets there, she knows if the stores are all closed, with a word she can get what she came for. Ooh, and she's buying a stairway to heaven. There's a sign on the wall, but she wants to be sure, 'cause you know sometimes words have two meanings. In a tree by the brook, there's a songbird who sings. Sometimes all of our thoughts are misgiven.
You got a brand new key.
Stay in control of your car and nothing happens, right? It's the same thing with the Segway. You stay in control of the Segway and nothing happens. When you get out of control, it's when something's going to happen. If you turn this to the right, it's going to go to the right. If you turn it to the left, it's going to go to the left. These knobs are really sensitive. I see people overcorrecting this thing all the time. Body towards them. Right at me. Back on the heel. Now it's down this one.
Take both handlebars first. Actually, put your headphones in first.
Some people say I done all right for a girl.
Stop. And while you guys are practicing, stay away from each other. Okay?
Oh yeah, yeah. Your mother if you were at home. She said yes, but you weren't alone. Oh, sometimes I think that you're avoiding me. I'm okay alone, but you got something I need. Well,
go.
I got a brand new pair of roller skates. You got a brand new key. I think that we should get
Come right at me and pass me. The pirouette.